This lesson is 5.6 on number patterns. We're going to go ahead and do number 3 and number 6. Okay, so first of all, the directions say to use the rule to write the first 12 numbers in the pattern. Describe another pattern in the numbers. So first of all, to make sure that we get 12, let's go ahead and draw 12 lines. So we're doing number 3, right? Yeah. Okay, so I am going to do number 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did everybody get their lines in?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Then it says first term is 4. What do I put on that first line?
4.
4. Everyone do this now. 4. Then the rule says add 15. Okay, what's 4 plus 15?
19.
19. Write it down. Then the rule says subtract 10. What's 19 minus 10? 9. Okay, then it says add 15. Everyone think in your heads, what's 9 plus 15? And say 24. Good. Then write it down. Okay, then minus 10. 24 minus 10 is? 14. Okay, then add 15. Think, and say? 29. Then minus 10 is?
19.
Then add 15. Think. Need us some thinking time for this. And say?
34.
34. Good job. Then minus 10 is?
24.
24. Then plus 15 is? Say?
39.
39. And then minus 10 is? 29. And then plus 15 is? 44. Okay, then we have to remember this next step. It says describe another pattern in the numbers. So take just a second and find another pattern. And then you can raise your hands and I'll point to you. Okay, yes, go ahead. What is a pattern?
A pattern is from 19 to 29. If you look at both of them, then they both have the same number in the ones place.
Okay. Yeah, actually, so it goes, the numbers in the ones place go 4994, 4994, 4994. Perfect. So it's 2 9s to every 2 4s, right? Very cool. So go ahead, let's write that one. Yes, what's another pattern?
It goes even, odd, odd, even,
Yeah.
odd, odd, even, odd.
It does go even, odd, odd, even, odd, odd. Very good. So either pattern works. So go ahead and write that. I'm going to say pattern is 4 9 9 4 4 9 ... Okay? In ones place. Okay, very good. Give you just a second to finish that. And let's look at 6. Now we have a word problem, so we're going to do what? Cube. That means circle the numbers, underline important information, box the question, eliminate unnecessary information. So let's read it together while we do cube. Ready? Go. An artist is arranging tiles in rows to decorate a wall. Each new row has 2 fewer tiles than the row below it. If the first row has 23 tiles, how many tiles will be in the 7th row? Okay, so it is saying that we are going to start. What is our first term going to be?
23.
Yeah, the first row is 23. So I'm going to go ahead and say 23. And then how many places am I going to?
7.
7. Yeah, so I'm going to draw 7 lines. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then what is the rule? Think, and say.
No,
It says 2 fewer. It says 2 fewer, so that would be subtract 2. So what is 23 minus 2? 21. Okay, 21 minus 2 is 19. 19 minus 2 is 17 minus 2 is 15 minus 2 is
13.
and 13 minus 2 is
11.
okay. So how many tiles will be in the 7th row? We will say 11 tiles. Very good. Write it down. Okay, very good. You guys just keep doing this and you will be amazing. Make sure to read the directions and draw the lines.
Yay.